Discover the coolest smart kitchen gadgets of 2026 that truly stand out in today's tech-savvy world. We evaluated performance, ease of use, and value. Find product links in the description and first comment. We'll explore these top 5 products in order, starting with our first standout gadget. Our first product is the Turalar Immersion Blender Handheld Corded. It's a 5-in-1 powerhouse for any kitchen. With 1100 watts, this blender offers incredible performance. Its variable speed trigger ensures precise control. The set includes a food processor, whisk, and frother, making it versatile for soups, purees, and baby food. Its anti-scratch design protects your cookware while delivering smooth blends and mixes every time. Ideal for home chefs and busy parents, it simplifies meal prep without compromising on quality. This blender's robust construction and adaptability make it a valuable addition to any modern kitchen. Second in line is the Kitchen Utensils Set, a 35-piece collection essential for any cooking enthusiast. These non-stick, heat-resistant tools are crafted from nylon, stainless steel, and silicone for durability. Perfect for non-stick cookware, they ensure your pots and pans remain scratch-free during cooking. The set includes everything from spatulas to ladles, meeting all your culinary needs in one package. It's an ideal starter kit for new apartments or those looking to refresh their kitchen essentials. Offering great value, this comprehensive set is a must-have for both novice and experienced cooks. The third product, Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multi-Cooker, revolutionizes home cooking with its versatility. This multi-cooker functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice maker, steamer, and more. Its stainless steel design is both sleek and durable, fitting seamlessly into any kitchen decor. With an app offering over 800 recipes, it inspires creativity and simplifies meal planning. Perfect for busy individuals or families, it saves time while delivering delicious meals effortlessly. Its multifunctionality and ease of use make it a smart choice for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. Fourth on our list is the Joseph Nest 5 Compact Stacking Utensils Set, a space-saving marvel. These utensils stack neatly in a magnetic stand, keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. The set includes essential tools for everyday cooking, all dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Its compact design is perfect for small kitchens or those looking to maximize storage space. Crafted with quality materials, it combines functionality with a sleek modern aesthetic. This set is a game changer for anyone seeking efficient organization without sacrificing style. Finally, we have the Tovolo Collapsible Microwave Splatter Cover, a practical and space-saving tool. Designed to prevent messes, it collapses flat for convenient storage in tight spaces. Its charcoal gray design is both stylish and functional, fitting medium-sized dishes perfectly. Ideal for quick reheats or steaming vegetables, it keeps your microwave clean and your food fresh. This cover is perfect for anyone who values a tidy kitchen and efficient cooking solutions. Its innovative design and practicality make it a worthwhile investment for everyday convenience.